Well, here we are down at Vincent Beach. It's low tide, and I am on my bike, as you can see. And sand's hard enough that we can ride it a bit. We'll give it a shot. Pretty cool, you know. I love my bike. Sure is pretty neat. Now I'm working on this casting, and boy, mold making is something best left to people who want to do it, like to do it, instead of... I'm a sculptor, not a mold maker, I think. Well, we got a good ride down the beach here. Right behind these cliffs are my house, but I don't think we're going up that way. That would be pretty difficult. And to go around Bell's Point, we got all the rocks and everything, so forget about that. So I let out a little bit of air out of my tires. And so hopefully the ride back will be a little bit easier, because riding in sand with just regular mountain bike tires is not the easiest thing in the world, but hey, it's special. Here we've got two views of my GPS track, which starts at my house, it goes down by the road to Vincent Beach,